Do you love to entertain? If you're considering hosting a spa party, keep watching to learn the top 6 spa accessories we recommend to make entertaining easy. An outdoor shower. If you haven't done so already, consider installing an outdoor shower. Having a shower close to your spa is a great way to encourage showering before people take a dip, which is one of the key ways to keep your spa water clean, clear and hygienic. Waterproof playing cards. If you love a game of cards, you'll need to get your hands on some waterproof ones. They often come in transparent design, a tear-proof and with a waterproof protective case. Suited for wet and humid situations, they can raise the stakes of your spa party to the next level. Unbreakable wine glasses. It is really important to keep glassware out of the spa pool and surrounding area. Broken glass is a safety hazard. If you break a glass in a spa pool, you'll need to turn it off, empty it and carefully remove all of the broken glass from the bottom before refilling it. Also, if any glass gets into the plumbing system, it can severely damage the components, so you're going to want to make sure no glass is used near or in the spa. But if you're partial to a glass of wine, the good news is you can still enjoy a drop of your favourite vino in the spa if you use unbreakable wine glasses. Look for glasses that are made from plastic, stainless steel or copper when shopping for unbreakable wine glasses. Just make sure they are shatterproof so they can withstand being dropped or tipped over. Floating spa bar. Now this is a really cool idea that will take your entertaining game to the next level. It's an inflatable spa bar tray that has compartments and holders for snacks and beverages. It floats in your spa so you can conveniently reach drinks and snacks while chatting with friends. This means you can kick back and enjoy your time together without the need to get out of the spa to replenish drinks and snacks. Ambience Lantern. To create a sense of atmosphere that encourages good conversation and relaxation, consider purchasing a rechargeable LED light. They can be used indoors or outdoors, and it's completely portable, so you're bound to get lots of use out of it. Just add music. If you love listening to music, podcasts or audiobooks, consider installing an audio and Wi-Fi kit. Some spa brands have this available as an optional upgrade that allows you to remotely control, monitor and emit quality sound from your smart device.